Hello, everyone. Do you want to express your feelings naturally in English? It can be tricky, but I promise it's easier than you think. Today, we're going to learn some simple, easy phrases to talk about your emotions. This lesson is perfect if you are just starting your English journey, especially for A1 to A2 beginners. So get ready to listen, repeat, and practice with me. Let's begin. This is Sarah. Look at her big smile. She is very happy today. Do you know why? Because she passed her English test. That's fantastic news. When you feel this way, you can say, I feel happy. Let's try that together. I feel happy. Very good. Happiness comes in many forms. For example, if you are looking forward to a party or a holiday, you might feel excited. You can say, I feel excited. Repeat after me. I feel excited. Wonderful. And what about when you do something really well, like Sarah did on her test? You feel proud of yourself. You can say, I feel proud. Let's practice. I feel proud. Excellent work. Now, it's your turn to think. Think of something that makes you happy. Maybe it's seeing a friend, eating your favorite food, or listening to a good song. How do you feel? You can say, I feel happy, or I feel excited. Try saying it out loud right now. Great job practicing. Remember, recognizing and naming your happy feelings is a great first step. Let's keep these positive words in mind as we continue. Now, let's look at Tom. Tom looks a little down. He lost his favorite book, and now he can't find it anywhere. He feels sad. When you have this feeling, you can say, I feel sad. Let's say it together, slowly. I feel sad. Sometimes sadness feels a bit different. Imagine you were hoping for something good to happen, but it didn't. For example, maybe your friend couldn't come to your party. In that situation, you can say, I feel disappointed. Let's repeat that one. I feel disappointed. One more time, I feel disappointed. Good. And what if you are all by yourself and you miss your friends or family? That feeling is called lonely. You can say, I feel lonely. Repeat after me. I feel lonely. It's okay to feel sad, disappointed, or lonely sometimes. Everyone feels this way now and then. Now, let's think about your experiences. Have you ever felt disappointed about something? Maybe a plan was cancelled or something didn't go the way you wanted. How would you say it in English? You would say, I feel disappointed. Try saying it now. It's important to know how to talk about these feelings too. You're doing a great job learning these new words. Let's move on to our next emotions. Next, meet Emma. Emma is walking to her desk, and look, she found a surprise gift waiting for her. She didn't expect it at all. She feels surprised. When something unexpected happens, you can say, I feel surprised. Let's say it together. I feel surprised. Great. Now let's look at a different situation. This is John. His little brother just broke his favorite toy car. Oh no, look at his face. He feels angry. When something makes you upset like this, you can say, I feel angry. Repeat after me. I feel angry. So we have surprise and anger. Let's practice them both. First, for the unexpected gift, I feel surprised. Now, for the broken toy, I feel angry. Excellent. Now it's your turn to speak. Can you think of a time you felt surprised? Maybe for your birthday. Or can you describe a time you felt angry? Maybe someone was unfair to you. Try to use the full sentence. I feel surprised, or I feel angry. Practice saying it out loud. Well done. Understanding these strong emotions is very useful. All right, let's review all the new emotions we learned today. It's time for some speaking practice to make sure you remember them. I'll say each phrase and I want you to repeat it after me. Let's go. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel surprised. I feel angry. Now, let's review the other phrases we learned too. I feel excited. I feel proud. I feel disappointed. I feel lonely. Fantastic. Now, let's try to make your own sentences. Think about your day so far. How do you feel right now? Maybe you feel happy because you're learning English. You can say, I feel happy. Maybe you feel excited for the weekend. You can say, I feel excited. The most important thing is to practice. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they will become. Let's try saying them all one more time, slowly. Just repeat after me. I feel happy. I feel sad. I feel surprised. I feel angry. Great job today, everyone. You are learning how to express your feelings naturally in English, and that is a huge step. Remember, practice is key. Try to use these phrases every day. You can say them to yourself in the mirror or try them with a friend. You did wonderfully. Thank you for learning with me today. For more easy and fun beginner lessons, make sure to follow and subscribe. See you in the next video.